Hey Star Seeds, welcome back. Today we're going to be making an Indian Dal recipe. Dal is just another name for pulses, okay? So in this case, we're going to be making a lentil dal. Super delicious, very easy to make, minimal spices, and perfect for your loved ones. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video with a friend because sharing is caring. So let's get into the kitchen. So the first thing we're gonna do is cook the lentils. Now today I'm using red split lentils, and these are gonna cook very, very fast. So let's get cooking. So to a pot, we're adding 800 milliliters of filtered water. We're gonna add into the water 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And also we're adding in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once the water is boiling, you're just gonna add in 300 grams of split lentils. And you're gonna give it a stir. So while our dal is cooking, we're gonna continue with the recipe. But I just wanna remind you guys to stick around to the end of the video because Greg and I are gonna sit down at the kitchen table and try out this delicious dal. So to a pan, we're gonna add in some coconut oil. This is actually 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We're just gonna let that melt down. So to the coconut oil, we're adding in about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some garlic and ginger mince. So we're gonna mix this up so that the seeds don't burn, and this is being cooked on low heat. Smells delicious. So to the pan, we're now adding in about 300 grams of spinach that I've washed and cut up. So at this point, the spinach looks like it's not gonna fit in the pan, but it will wilt down. So you just have to be patient and add it slowly if your pan is small. So just stir your spinach. You can see that it's wilting at the bottom. Just wanna stir it because we are going to add the rest of the spinach. So since spinach contains oxalates, you really don't want to cover the frying pan with a lid. You want that acid to evaporate, okay? Because this is going to make you digest the spinach a lot better. So after 14 minutes of cooking the lentils on a medium heat, medium to high heat actually, they are ready and all the water has evaporated. So let's pour this into our frying pan. So we're adding in the lentils into the spinach, and then we're going to add some water to thin it out because it's a little thick right now. So first you just want to mix up all of this goodness. This is such a highly nutritious meal, guys. It's packed with protein and iron from the spinach. Delicious. Don't forget to add in 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 cup of water just to thin out the lentils. So the heat is on low, and I'm just going to mix this up and see if it's going to need any more water because I do want quite a thin consistency because I will be having this with some rice. Dal is ready, and we're going to eat it with some basmati rice and some papadums over here. Okay, so we're sitting down to try this dal recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and plate for Greg. So we're going to add some rice first.
What did you make?
So I have some rice here, some plain basmati rice, and I can do it here. What are you doing? Oh my God, he's so weird right now. Can you move your hand? Okay. So he's like a 5-year-old right now. Okay. Put some rice in there.
That's enough.
But you love rice.
That's enough.
Okay. And then we're gonna take the dal. By the way, I added 1 cup of water to the dal, FYI, and I just heated it until it was warm. There you go. Protein packed. And then I have some papadums here.
Ooh, smells strong.
Yes. You know, there's not really a lot of spices going on in this dal recipe, in case you haven't noticed. I mean, I didn't even add onion or garam masala or some curry powder or, you know, cinnamon, because I always add cinnamon in everything. This is just a purely simple dal recipe. And you can build on this recipe if you like. But if you don't like a lot of spices, then this probably is great for you because it just has cumin seeds and a little bit of salt and a bit of chili pepper.
Very Indian.
Yeah, and it's like minimal spices, right? If you don't like it, you can say so.
No, I like it.
Do you?
Like it.
Do you? It's a bit spicy.
Where's your food?
Okay, I'll try it too. In all honesty, I already tried it and I already know what it tastes like. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm in a mood for a smoothie.
Put your food.
So I'm gonna okay,
Listen,
fine.
people need to know what you feel like about the food.
Yeah,
They
you're
should
right.
Put your food.
Okay, I'll put a little bit.
And not one bite.
I'll put a bite.
You should have 3 bites.
And you know, this is really protein packed. I mean, you know that lentils are really packed with protein and, you know, amino acids that we need. So combining this with rice is gonna give you a complete protein meal. Right, babe?
Yeah, I have it.
And there's spinach in here.
You barely took the dal. Take more dal.
It's good.
Take more dal.
You know what I love about it?
Here.
What are you doing?
Pushing it on your...
Thank you. It's helping me. I love cumin seeds. They just add so much flavor to the dish.
Oh yeah.
Please don't leave them out. Please, please, please don't leave out the cumin seeds. It's good.
It's really good.
It's really good. I hope you guys make this. And that chili pepper, the chili powder, it's really, I think I added in a teaspoon.
It's not that spicy.
Okay,
but
for me it is quite, not really spicy, but there's a zing, okay, to it. There's a zing to it. So if you're not a fan of spicy foods, then just leave out the chili powder. It's not really a big deal. But guys, do you know how many times I had Indian food this week? 3 times, huh?
4th.
Yeah, it's just like, I don't know, I can't get enough. There's this amazing restaurant in Larnaca that we keep going to called Yummy India.
Which we put in our vlog,
Oh yeah,
which is coming
wait, today is, wait, what's the date?
sometime next week.
Today's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's coming up next week.
So it's coming up probably on Sunday. We made a vlog and we went to this Indian restaurant, which is really delicious, so. Is that it? By the way, thank you guys for all the comments that you made for our, one of our previous videos where I was trying on a lot of wedding dresses, because if you don't know, me and Greg are getting married in 4 months. Is it 4 months? Jesus.
It's 4 months.
I don't have a wedding dress, so I've been trying to, like, you know, try on dresses from various boutiques. It's been quite a challenge, let me tell you. So we made a video on it, and you can click the link up above if you want to check out that video of me trying on wedding dresses. And a lot of people commented and were helping me out and helping me choose between the dresses. So if you want to help a sister out, then click on the link and leave a comment down below. Anything else, Greg?
That's it.
Okay. Bye, Starseeds. See you next time. Mwah.